Good morning. It is moving day. I cannot believe we are actually moving today. It is so bittersweet. There really are no true words to describe how I feel. I'm excited. I'm sad. It still doesn't feel real. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. It's very bittersweet. So we're actually moving today. The movers are on their way. Jeff just went to go get a U-Haul. And guys, I apologize for my voice throughout this entire video. I have been so sick. Our entire family has been so sick. Everybody had the flu, including myself, and then my flu turned into bronchitis. So I have all of the nastiness in my chest right now and up into like my throat. Just everything is just a shot. So if you guys can bear with my voice throughout this, I appreciate it. I talked about it on Instagram and all of you guys were so supportive and said, we don't care about your voice, just vlog anyways. So here we are. I am so excited to be vlogging today. I wanted to be able to remember this day, last day in our house, and it's really not our last full day. It's like just packing up. Last night was the last night in our house and it was super bittersweet, but I was so tired that I didn't have time to like lay there and think about it or anything. So yeah, we're staying in a hotel tonight and then we will close on our house tomorrow and move in tomorrow. So yeah, I thought I would bring you guys along with me on packing up the house and moving into the new one and saying goodbye to the house that, the first house that Jeff and I brought together, the house where we brought home Cash and Crew, and the last house that Crew knew. So anyways, thank you guys so much for bearing with me and my voice and my awful nails. I clearly have not had any time to take care of myself lately. So this is what our room looks like right now. I'm trying to take off all of the sheets off of the bed, and I know that this doesn't exactly look packed up, but this is like as packed as it's gonna get. I'm not putting the lamps in boxes. I thought maybe I would just put them in my car so they don't get broken. And this thing will probably have to go in my car also because I don't want it to get broken either. But yeah, I am kind of worried about I don't know if the movers take out the drawers, but my top drawer is where I keep all my underwear and it is like full of underwear. It's not just like 5 pairs of underwear. I have a lot. So that's gonna be totally awkward if they open it and I'm thinking about stuffing them all in this box. I know that's weird, but like I don't want all the movers seeing my drawer of underwear. So here's a little tour of everything before the movers pack it up. Our stuff for the hotel tonight is in there so that the movers don't grab that stuff. I have to go get more packing tape because I ran out of packing tape. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do right now. Is everybody excited to move? Yeah. Are you excited to move, Kashi? Yeah? Are we moving to a new house? Are you ready to move?
I am ready to move. It's a little bittersweet, but I'm excited for the new house.
Are you stressed out?
Yeah.
It's actually happening. We're about to bust out of this joint. My bed was delivered. Jeff and I's bed was delivered today. Marlo, you want to go to Grandma's house for a little while? You want to go to Grandma's house? The dogs are going to go over to my grandma's and hang out for 2 days while we get moved. Alright guys, so it is like, what time is it? It's me and Kashi here at the house. It is 8 o'clock at night. No wonder you're so cranky. You want to be in the video too? So, gosh guys, it has been the longest day ever. Honestly, it's been the longest 2 weeks ever. But the reason why I look like this right now is because I have worked my butt off the past few days, and today to get everything packed. We had the final walkthrough at 5:30 tonight, so everything had to be ready to go, like sparkling clean, packed away, ready to move in tonight at 5:30. So the buyers did their final walkthrough tonight. Anyways, I've been crying. If you can see, like my nose is all red and I look like I've had a hard day, and I have. Everything has really gone as planned, honestly. Like, we got everything packed up and ready to go by 5 o'clock. We had 30 minutes to spare, so. But I'm actually having a harder time with this than I thought. I've cried a few times today. I've stopped like mid-Swiffering and just broke down. I tried to hide in a separate room. I cried on my way here. You wanna sit? Okay, let's sit down. I cried on my way here, just knowing that it's probably the last time that we're gonna drive over here. Still owning this house. You know, we can drive back by here as many times as we want, but it's probably going to be the last time I'll ever be in this house. And you know, it's like a house is just a house without the people in it. So, but this is where we brought Crew home. And this is where Crew spent his first and his last Christmas. And, you know, you might be wondering, why are we moving if it's so emotional? And I know that it's the right thing for us to do. But that doesn't make it any less difficult. You guys that have been watching my channel for so long, you watched my channel completely evolve in this house. When we first moved to this house is when my channel really started to take off. So many of you have essentially like followed us in our lives through this house, and it's hard. It's really hard, and it's bittersweet, and I'm so excited about our move tomorrow. Are you excited about our move tomorrow? Forky. I know. We're so excited about the move tomorrow, but this definitely closes a bit of a chapter for our family. So I'm gonna take you guys on one last bittersweet tour of the house. You wanna take them on a tour of the house? So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my old house tour.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you.
See, I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna take a bath.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away.
Alright guys, so we are staying in a hotel tonight. We're gonna go ahead and head back there. I'm so tired, emotionally, physically, clearly. I am just, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. If I look so tired, it's because I slept like a full 40 minutes last night because I could not fall asleep. For one, Jeff was snoring so loud. We have a king size bed normally, and so last night in the hotel we were like this in a full size bed, and then Cash sleeps terrible in hotels, so I feel like I got literally like 3 hours of sleep maybe, so my eyes are like so like they're burning. But we have officially signed off on our house. Not the new house, that happens in about 2.5 hours, but we have signed off on our old house. It is no longer ours, and it is extremely bittersweet. Yesterday was really hard for me, harder than I thought it was going to be, but today I am happy, I am excited, and I'm trying not to dwell on that part of it. So I'm ready to make this house, our home, and I'm really excited. So I'm actually sitting, I keep looking right here because I'm sitting outside of our brand new house, and I'm waiting on Jeff because he's driving the U-Haul. We actually had to rent 2 U-Hauls. We had so much stuff that they said that we needed to get another U-Haul. So, which honestly, I don't feel like we have that much stuff. We just couldn't make like 2 trips. Everything had to be out of the house last night by 5:30. So we didn't even fill up half of the second U-Haul. So anyways, Jeff is driving 1 U-Haul over here, and then I'm taking him in my car. We go back to the other house, pick up the second U-Haul, drive it over here, and then we go and close on our new house. The kids right now are at my grandma's house, and they're hanging out until we're done like signing and all of that kind of stuff. So anyways, we're super excited and can't wait to get in there and like officially make it our home.
Standing underneath the lights, into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Down the secret place.
Are you excited about your outfit?
You like my outfit?
So we are officially owners of this house, right? Isn't that surreal? We own this house. It feels crazy because we, like, I don't know, every time you go looking at houses, like, you think about yourself living here, and now we actually own it.
Yeah, I mean,
It's ours.
we were in our last house for almost 3 years, and like the walls are just closing in on us. It had been for a while, so I'm really excited to have all the space, kids to have all the space, and you know, their own rooms is really gonna be great. So, but still, we'll, you know, have like enough time to be close and together.
Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and